All right, so welcome to day 2 of SEMA. Should be a lot of cool things to see and do. You always got your bro trucks and things like that here. I'm sure we'll have some nice tools to see, people to meet, so follow along. So Bolt always has some nice stuff. I always like these hooks. I think I would feel bad about putting something on those. But it's a pretty nice setup. Man, that sun is right there too. You got the Flex Rocks rollovers Jeepster here. Kind of got that cartoonish look to it. So what do you guys think about that? I seen Lightbright did the same thing to theirs. Give me your opinion. And here we go, the original Overlander. So they've been making sandwiches on the road long before came up with the Scottle and all the gadgets. It's pretty cool FC right there. If you have a Gladiator, it's a pretty cool little truck box on the back of this one. It actually doubles up as a, well, I don't know if you call it roll bar or not, but solar on the top. I think it looks pretty good. Black on black. Looks like a supercharged vet engine in it. Wood bed, air ride. That's nice. All right, and if you want a big overland vehicle, if an F550 isn't big enough for you, well, where are you going? Gotta admit, that'd be a sweet ride though. Big Chevy also. And over here at the unofficial use only booth, 392 with a Magnuson supercharger. And then you've got the Rivian here. It's well, got a couple extra axles on it. Got a jack shaft in the center, hooking up. That's pretty cool. All right, you're gonna have to tell me what you think of these fenders. You tell me. If you want to get the advanced adapters version of the transfer case for your JLJT, got a pretty nice setup, easy, they say set and forget adjusting. And then you have the handles and the twin stick and everything for the JL and JT. Got some pretty cool stuff in there. You're looking at the truck that Gale Banks and his crew made, Lockjaw. And we always like a drag racing. So John Forrest, funny car here. And then probably Erica Ender's car. Nope, Bo Butner, one of Erica's team. Then I have whole sections here of auto repair, body repair, welding, a little bit of everything. Even people just showing you how to airbrush. Some amazing work. Tough Stuff Overland here. It's got a pretty nice little booth. Be a nice rig right there. Tow the Jeep right behind that. That's a good looking vet. Great looking interior in that as well. Everything's powder coated, same color. And we're here at the back side of the Oracle booth. That's a big truck on a rack. That's a beautiful black paint job on that old truck. All right, so there's a little drive unit that we need for our Dodge truck, so we can get the thing on the highway and get it out of 4,000 RPM. It's a nice setup. Old Chevy, got the patina still on it.
air ride. Well, another really good looking Gladiator. This would be a nice setup. Rooftop tent. It's a hell of an awning right there. On the far side, you get a little shower bathroom setup. So it's a pretty slick setup. Where we at here? James Bard. There it is right there. And we've seen this one out on the trail before. And Quake's got a roof rack system. And to say it takes all types, it takes all types. I guess everybody runs a 40 differently. And that one's definitely unique. Big Steer Smarts truck. And every year Quake's got a different wheel set up on this thing. Pretty cool old Chevy here. Pretty cool setup here from Quake. Both 12 valve in the back of it. Nice diesel setup on that. That's a sweet looking ride there. How you doing? So if you're building an older truck, you need a new bed liner in it, you want that wood look, chrome rails and everything. Pretty nice setup right there. You just buy it just for your rig. It's like just a bolt in. Kind of a nice setup. Definitely will save you a lot of work. Jeep Talk Show. All right, so that was the 2023 SEMA show. Hope you guys enjoyed everything. Lots of stuff to see and do. So we'll see you here for places to go and see and things to do.